Welcome to this video highlighting the new features introduced in VMRay Analyzer version 2.3. In our latest release, we've bolstered the performance of VMRay Analyzer with a static analysis engine, which complements the existing dynamic analysis and reputation engines to support an even higher analysis throughput. Let's take a closer look at the new static analysis engine and additional features released in VMRay Analyzer version 2.3. Let's start at the sample submission screen. In version 2.3, we've simplified the submission process by allowing users to toggle between a basic and advanced submission. The simplified submission screen is clean and only displays basic options, which helps users choose the analysis environments, as well as the option to supplement the dynamic analysis results with reputation lookups, whois queries, and external analyzers such as MetaDefender and VirusTotal. Users can also add submission tags and comments. The advanced submission screen offers several customization options such as the analyzer mode, which lets you decide the combination of the three techniques: reputation lookups, static analysis, and dynamic analysis. Additionally, we provide options to enable or disable triaging, which I'll touch on later, configure the network settings, and to submit prescript files, which are all available on this screen. After a completed analysis, the results are available on the sample overview page. Users have the ability to click into the individual reputation lookup, static, and dynamic analysis reports on this page. The overall severity score displayed on the top of the page is an aggregate result of all enabled analyses. Let's go into a static analysis report. The structure is very similar to the dynamic analysis report. The VTI section highlights the threat indicators identified by the static analysis engine. You will see static VTI rule matches for things like known bad embedded URLs, embedded files, embedded macros, and Yara rule matches. The file section of the report contains more detailed information extracted by the static analysis engine, including embedded files and URLs, metadata information such as imports and exports for PE files, document author, document title, and active code such as Office macros and PDF JavaScript. Filters in this section allow you to distinguish between the submitted file and embedded files. Reputation information for these files is also provided. Yara matches are listed in the Yara section of the report. In version 2.3, we've added support for triaging, allowing users to optimize performance by stopping the analysis workflow when a clean file is encountered. For example, if the reputation lookup provides a whitelisted verdict, or if the static analysis score is 0 out of 100. The obvious benefit associated with triaging is performance. Reputation and static analysis results are usually returned in a matter of seconds. As a result, analysis throughput is significantly higher. Given the amount of email and internet traffic that most organizations have to analyze today, this is a very significant benefit. Analyzer mode allows users to choose different workflow combinations involving reputation lookups, static analysis, and dynamic analysis, as can be seen in the Analyzer and Triage section of the Advanced Submission screen. We have also redesigned email notifications associated with the sample analysis. Email notifications containing a summary of the analysis results and links to the sample overview page are sent after an analysis has been completed. Thank you for watching. Contact us at sales@vmray.com to get hands-on with VMRay Analyzer 2.3.